Hi, my name is Vijay Shanmugam. So in this video, we're going to explain our queries. So actually, we created everything individually, and also it was very easy for us. But for the video, we're going to explain each and every query individually. So I will explain the first query in the basics. Yeah. I retrieved the email of the company with the index 15, right? So from the companies, we took the company with the index 15 and the email, and we just only want the characters. That's why I used the strings. So I just ran the code, and yeah, I got the results of the email. So yes, for the second query, my friend David will explain everything clearly, right? So yeah.
Thank you, Sujay. Now I'm going to explain about query number 2. Here basically is a description of this query, retrieve all information about the company with index 22, and the query itself, where we are taking the root companies, we're taking children company and index of the company by 22. Here we can see the result of it with the XML code. Thank you. Now I'm gonna ask Kasim to do query number 3.
Yes, I'm Gaston Jabrelov. The third query, we have to get product prices, which by company Meta. For that reason, we are taking company name Meta, especially from companies, products, product, and price. Then we are putting string that we are getting exact results, and we are running right now. And here is it. We have prices of two product prices. And right now, Min will continue with fourth query.
Thank you, Kasim. So I'm Min, and my task was, my task to explain was to get all information about the products of the specific category, this case A2, which is sold by a company with an ID 2. So how to do it in XML, we use / companies and then another children company. Its ID should be specified as 2, and then product category should be specified as A2. And now we're gonna run it, and we're expecting all the nodes, everything, yeah, like this, because we want all information. All right, now we proceed to Oracle SQL Developer.
Yes, we're going to explain our queries in the SQL developers. So let me show you. Yeah. So actually, wait, I'm going to the top. Yeah. First, we created the table which is named by company data and the ID number, which is primary key, and it's automatically. I mean, it will generated by default. So this is a query, and actually we already created a table. So I'm not going to run. So we already have a table. Yes, with the XML type. You can see here. Yes, and I insert our 022.xml code, and yeah, I successfully inserted. Now you can come down. Yes, if you want to see, then I will write the code. Wait, you select star from company data. So yes, yeah, you can see here our XML. So yes, now I'm gonna explain the query one. So retrieve the email, as you can see from the basics, like select the query value, extract value from here. So I just run the code. Yes, you can see the email from the company data. So and my friend David will explain that query two very clearly. Yes.
Thank you, Sujay. So here
Mhm.
is query 2 with the description itself. And here is the SQL code where you are selecting this almost the same query, companies, company by query 22. And now we're gonna click it and see the results there. Yes, and this is basically the results of the company of this query, sorry. Thank you. So now I'm gonna ask Asim to say talk about query number 3.
The number like third query we are extracting, which we will get XML and the same company Meta, and we are getting prices of the products. Let's run XML, click, and here is the results. Min will continue with fourth query.
Yeah, thank you, Gasim. So my fourth query, the same task, but right now we work on Oracle SQL. So Sujay, can you please run the code and I'll explain
Mhm.
from there. Yeah, we get an XML type, do single record view, and the same. We see the same XML on Oracle SQL Developer. All right, that's it. That's all we had to do in this task. And we want to say that to avoid mistakes like practical one and practical two that we made, this time we didn't divide tasks among the members. We assigned everyone to do it individually, and then we arrange a meeting, the final meeting, to point out the best version, and then just choose the best version out of there. And yes, also in practical one, we made a mistake that we didn't show our face in the video. So this practical, we tried our very best to fully complete this. So if it is possible, please do increase the point. And thank you for your listening. Thank you, everyone. Thank you also to Professor Gutmanis. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you, Professor. Bye.